Hi, I'm Sharon Bill. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Working through previous year's exam papers is a super way to revise and prepare for your ABRSM Music Theory exam. I've worked with you through every single question of every past exam paper in grades 1 to 5 from 2014 to 2018 to help you really get to grips with your knowledge of music theory. In this short video, you'll find links in the cards and in the description box to all 4 videos to work through each question of Grade 3 Paper B from the 2018 past exam paper. Grade 3 draws upon all of the new information found in the Grade 3 Music Theory and Practice workbook, in addition to the information covered in the previous grades. If you click on the link to the playlist in the description box, you'll find videos where I work with you step by step through each question in the workbooks. As an additional help, if you go to my website, you can download some free PDF information sheets to accompany each step in this series. There's also a page on my website with all of my YouTube videos listed, and you can find out about the books that I have available there. I've written an exam technique guide, how to take your ABRSM Music Theory exam. It's full of tips and techniques on how to best prepare for your exam and also how to make the best use of your time when it comes to exam day. So if you visit sharonbill.com, you'll find it all there. If you can give me a like, that would be really super, and please do subscribe to my channel and share out the videos. Do enjoy your studies. See you next time. Bye.